Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get emojis on CapCut PC. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up CapCut application on your PC or laptop. You can even continue on with a project or create a new project. I'm just going to continue on with a new project here. Open up that one, and then you want to put in a text box here, like so. There's the text box there. So now to get emojis inside CapCut, all you need to do is head over to Google and type in emojis and click on Get Emojis. Right, scroll down and copy and paste any one of these emojis. So for this example, I'm going to use this one here. Control C. I'm going to head over to CapCut. I'm going to change this text to test, and then I'm going to Control V that emoji. So as you can see, the emoji's there, but it's in black and white. Please take note of that. So if you want to use emojis inside the text box, they'll only turn out to be black and white, not colored. But if you want colored emojis, simply go on Google or wherever, save the image, and then insert that image into your video. So yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. How to get emojis inside CapCut on your PC. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful.